Today I'll be showing you how I achieve super black buttercream with zero bitter aftertaste by just adding one simple ingredient. Black buttercream is actually one of the hardest colors to achieve, and I've seen a lot of people use things like black cocoa or a ton of food dye, which can also be bitter. But today I'll be using activated charcoal. So for those of you who are not familiar with activated charcoal is a fine odorless black powder and is also considered kosher. Activated charcoal has a ton of health benefits. Here it says that it is 100% pure and it's also all natural food grade. You want to get the food grade one. Activated charcoal is derived from coconuts, among other things. So some of the health benefits is that it neutralizes poisons, it detoxifies, it filters, exfoliates, and it's also used in soap making, absorbs odors, and whitens teeth. I like to start building up my black buttercream from a darker shade, so I'll be using green today. And I'll also be showing you how you can achieve super black by using white buttercream. So for this sample size, I'll be adding in just a teaspoon at a time of my activated charcoal, and we just want to gauge it, adding a little in at a time so that you don't overdo it, because as you can see, it's very pigmented and it gets black real quick. Also, activated charcoal does not change the consistency of your buttercream. That's one of the things that I love about activated charcoal. It just is perfect. And also, there is no taste. It's odorless, it's tasteless. So it's the perfect coloring for getting your buttercream to super black. As you can see, our buttercream is already black. You don't need a whole lot of activated charcoal to get your buttercream to this color. But just to take it up a notch, I'm gonna add a few drops of gel coloring. After adding just about 2 drops of gel coloring, this buttercream has zero bitter taste. So there you have it, guys. Now you can serve up yummy black buttercream. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.